Hello, this is Arif Irfanullah. It's early April 2018 and I will share some level 1 study advice with you. My first comment is related to your schedule. As I have indicated in earlier advice videos, ideally you should complete at least one round of the curriculum by mid-May. This will give you about 6 weeks at the end to review and practice. Your actual exam is going to be on 23rd June. So the more you can review and practice before the exam, the better. If at this stage you are behind schedule, then you need to accelerate. And a tool that you can use to accelerate is our high yield course. With a high yield course, we provide videos, questions, as well as notes. And in a very short time, you can cover the most important concepts. So for example, with our videos, in an average of 15 minutes per reading, we cover the key points. The high yield questions identify the most testable questions or concepts from each reading. And then the notes are again summarized versions of the most important points. The notes link with the videos. Another issue that many students face at this stage is that they forget material they've done in the past. If that is your problem, you can listen to the high yield videos for material that you are forgetting, and that will allow you to refresh your concepts in a very short time. My final point is related to practice. Once you have covered the basic concepts, the key is to practice as much as possible. So as I have said before, make sure you practice all the MCQ style questions in the curriculum. Make sure that you do the practice questions that are made available on the CFA Institute website, and also work through the IFT question bank. But the key is to make sure that you are on schedule. So try your best to be done by mid-May. You might stretch it a little bit if you started late, but give yourself enough time at the end to do lots of practice and to work through as many full-length mock exams as possible. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.